Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll see the concept of schedulers. Guys, the reason why we are studying the schedulers is to improve the performance process. We need to know the schedulers concept so that we can able to improve the performance. How are means? In general, there will be three types of schedulers. One will be long-term scheduler. Another one will be short-term scheduler. Another one will be medium-term scheduler. Okay, so these three schedulers will indirectly affect the performance of the process. How means? Long-term scheduler will take various decisions about the process, which means how many processes I have to make in the ready state, right? That is what is done by long-term scheduler, which means that this one I can call it as long-term scheduler. If you want to make a particular process moving from new state to ready state, then that decision will be taken care by the long-term scheduler, right? Which means I can say that it is indirectly relating to certain kind of performance or not, right? If I am having more processes in the ready state, then there might be a chance to complete everything in less time, right? So like that, it has to make certain kind of indirect effect. So if we take short-term scheduler will pick up the one of the process which are in the ready state and will make the schedule. See, short-term scheduler will pick one of the process which are in ready state and will make them into running state, right? And is this decision is going to be a long time or it's a short time? It's a kind of short span of time, right? Once a process is loaded from ready state to running state, it is going to execute for a few nanoseconds and is going to complete its thing or it will enter into the ready state, right? So as it is short span of time, we are calling it as short-term scheduler. And why we call this as a long-term scheduler? It is because once you make processing a process from new state to ready state, it will complete all the state, then it will comes to the completion part. That is why it's going to be long-term decision, right? So whatever the process that you are trying to select through short-term scheduler, you have to select the best process that is having less number of context switches, right? So that you can able to reduce the burden on the CPU, right? So means we can say switching time will be very less, right? When switching time is very less, overheating on the CPU is also reduces, right? So where the short-term scheduler will apply between ready state to running state. Okay, next, medium-term scheduler. So generally any kind of suspension decisions will be taken care by the medium-term scheduler, and the decisions is not going to wait for long or it is not for short span of time. That's the reason we will say that it is medium-term scheduler, and the medium terminology we can call it as average also, right? Yes. So it is not going to be long time or it is not for very short span. Whereas coming to long-term scheduler, the decision is going to be meant for long time, and this will be short span of time. This will be either long or short span of time, right? Yes. So if you look into one more definition here, so the number of processes which are present in the ready state at any point of time we can call this as degree of multi-programming. So in this particular example, as we have n number of processors are there in the ready state, I can say that n degree multi-programming. Here medium term scheduler will be from running state to wait state, means once we make suspension, that suspension will be taken care by medium term scheduler. Hope you understood this video clearly, guys. Thank you.